What's up, everybody? Today is Thursday, September 6th. We are going over to BK Crypto Trader, Boss Method for free Bitcoin, looking at BTC to the USD on a 343. Gonna answer the question, is Bitcoin still alive? Has it resurrected? Is it fallen? What's going on? So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if it's your first time tuning in. And just get ready because I'm about to break this chart down like a fraction. 20 minutes, jump in the #1 Facebook group in the world, share the post right there on the top. And once we get 50 likes, we will be picking a winner to win some free Bitcoin. Stay tuned, everybody. Check, check. Can you guys hear my voice okay? What's going on, people? Looks like we might have lost our countdown, had about 5 minutes left. Oh well. What I'll do is I'll share this screen back. This is the page you want to jump on. Boss of Bitcoin on Facebook. I will paste a link for everybody in the chat right there. You want to go to posts and share this post at the top right there. Boom, boom. Share that post right there. And if we get 50 likes on this video, when we get 50 likes, I'll go back and pick a winner. Somebody will win some free Bitcoin. All right. So there you go. It's just that easy. Boom, boom. What's going on to everybody in the chat right now? Trying to make $1, trying to make a Bitcoin out of $15. I feel you. The struggle continues. So let's do this then. I'll just put like 5 minutes on, and then once that's over, we'll go ahead and run through everything. That'll give me a chance to set the rest of these windows up. 5 minutes, everybody. Boss of Bitcoin on Facebook. Share that post right there, pinned to the top. We will be right back. All right, all right. It's about that time. All right. About that time. Let's go ahead and turn that one down. Let's go. Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today is September 6th. As you already know, Bitcoin had a nice little correction here, north of 8% down in 24 hours. And so today we will be looking at the following question. Is Bitcoin dead? RIP 2009, 2018. It was a good run. That's what we're going to be talking about today. If this is your first time tuning in, congratulations, baby. You are now rocking with the best. My name is BK, known as the Crypto Trader, and I am the boss of these charts, as you will soon find out. Every day I grace this microphone with my voice is another day. You get to profit as a result, and today is no exception. So this is what you need to do right now. It looks like we have about 60 people rocking out live on the air with me. You got about 10 minutes of airtime to get this done. If everybody clicks that thumbs up button on this video right now, somebody will win. All you need to do to enter, hit the thumbs up, jump over to Boss of Bitcoin on Facebook and share that post. I'm gonna reload this page at the end of the video and I will click a winner if we have 50 likes. If we don't, I will come back tomorrow and give those people a chance to get paid. It's just that easy to get paid. Every month I give away a couple $100 out of my pocket just to the people who rock out with me live on the air every day. So there you go. Without further ado, let's get into our featured discussion today. This is Coin Market Cap. One of the people in the chat asked if we could do a quick market cap analysis. Here it is. As you can see, the market cap right now, $200 million. Down about, I think, 50 million this week, 100 million, somewhere in there. But this is what I want to do. The biggest thing you see, the dollars, USD down. Let's jump over to BTC real quick, see what that looks like, see if any altcoins are absorbing some equity here. Doesn't look like it, right? Ripple had a nice little bounce, about 10% Bitcoin in the past day. And Tether went up 8%. So that means Bitcoin actually dropped 8% dollars, or at least it should mean that. And NEO, I think people in my Boss Alert messages, we talked about NEO last week. So it's up 10% on the week. Monero, 20% on the week. We had that in our profit package last week. You know, so it's not much going on. Definitely no strong buys on the market right now, right? Ripple, I don't trust the feds. I don't like the boys in blue, so I will not be highlighting that coin today. BTC dominance. This is the biggest thing I wanted to check out real quick. Even though a lot of money is moving out of the market, check it out. It's not a bad sign for Bitcoin. We talked about this the other day. Bitcoin is absorbing a lot of the money in the market, right? 3 months ago, 37%, today, 54%. But still, it's not coming from the sidelines. This is literally absorbing money from the other altcoins. So while Bitcoin is strong, the altcoins are weak. It's literally just sucking from one side of the heart to the other, right? So if we add up, you know, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Ripple, Let's see, that's about 28% right there, 22 and 8, about 29, 30. We'll round it up to 30%, right? Between Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Ripple. Let's go down here, down to about 20. So you see, we lost 10% in those 3 coins in 3 months, and we gained from 37 to 54, we gained about 15%. So that 10% literally disappeared from Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Ripple and went into Bitcoin, right? So that's all you need to understand, is that money is leaving the altcoins, going into Bitcoin, and then some of it left Bitcoin to go into dollars, right? Now we're going to jump over into the chart and answer the question, is Bitcoin dead? This is my page on TradingView. If you don't follow me, you probably should. 140,000 views, 12,000 reputation. I don't even know what that is. If it was a cryptocurrency, I would have made some money on it by now. Utility token, but you know, I'm sure TradingView is working on that on the back end. More power to them. But BD Kelly 1203 on TradingView. Click the link in the description. That will take you to TradingView. Then you can type my name in, BD Kelly 1203, and you can follow my charts on there. You see, this is the real deal. There's ain't no, you know, fingertip charts like those dudes on CNBC squawking on the street with their voices in the ear and the microphone and the words behind the screen tell them what to say. It is ain't none of that. This is freestyle a cappella off the top. You know what I'm saying? And so what we go do right now is we go jump in on the charts. Right, let's go to YouTube Live, because we're doing a live stream right now. We gonna be looking at BTC to the USD on a 343. If you don't know what it is, go to boatsofbitcoin.com. Scroll down to chart like a boss. This is my custom playlist. Click on this video right there. Them 20 minutes right there will change your life if you don't know how to make money. Now back to the money. This is the chart right here. That's what we're going to be making. Let's delete it. Right? And let's rewind it and take it from the top. Right? I'm going to break this thing down. I'm going to take it slow for everybody. You know what I'm saying? So biggest thing to note, it's a few cycles going on. If you watch my interview with Polny, I talked about this specifically, that we are literally inside the Vesica Pisces right now. If you know what that is, that's a Venn diagram. It's 2 circles, both separate entities, and the Vesica Pisces is when those 2 circles come overlap with each other, right? So if you literally wanted to do it, we could say that that's one circle. That's one energy cycle. And that's the other energy cycle. And maybe we could argue and say it's something like that. To where this little section that we're in right now is the middle. We are in limbo land. I've said that at least 100 different times on this channel. That's what it looks like. We have multiple forces acting on us. We have the past, the present, and the future all coexisting in this instantaneous moment we recognize as now. So let's utilize that knowledge. Let's understand this awareness, and let's leverage that to our benefit, right? Only 3 things exist in the world: past, present, and future. Those are the only 3 things that will ever exist in the world. The more you understand the past, the more you understand the present, the more you can infer the future, right? Biggest thing we can infer from this moment is these 2 huge swing points right here. 1, 2, 3, right? Let's just drop a horizontal line right there. And if you ain't hit that thumbs up button by now, I don't know what you're doing. You need to hit that thumbs up button for me. I got about 25,000 people that need to get these words and make some money in the market. I'm sick and tired of my people being sick and tired. So every thumbs up I get on this video helps to fulfill that vision, right? And so all we did right here is we took that little intersection and that little intersection, dropped a horizontal line in there. What did we get? We got confirmation right there, boom, boom. And then we got this little runner right there where we confirm that kind of as the floor, right? That's our swing zone. This is limbo land. So as long as we are flexible in that zone, we have to be malleable. Energy doesn't just shut on and shut off like a light bulb. They make it real simple like that so you stay simple-minded. Energy flows. Think of an ocean. Think of all the movement in an ocean. Waves crashing into each other. One takes over the other. One turns into another. One turns into another. That's what's happening right now inside this chart. And so that's what we need to be cognizant of. Do not let these broke bloggers cost you money. Do not let them say sell Bitcoin at 6,500 so you can go buy it back at 4,500, because they will be laughing at you all the way to the bank. It's not going that low. It's not going down there. 58 on a 7 on a 343 is the lowest we'll go. But we'll come back to that in a second. Next thing we're going to do, we've confirmed this little limbo land zone. I showed you the big Vesca Pisces with the two huge energies acting on it right now. Next thing we'll try to do is try to just pin down this energy front to back. We'll use this cycle, quicker cycle. Boom, boom. Right? Check that out. When I did that, started here, touched up top, came back down, confirmed there, came back up, confirmed there, came back down, confirmed there. You can't make this stuff up, people. In addition to that, we need to find a linear relationship to recognize right now. And so what I'll do to get this, I'm going to just draw a straight line. One, two, three. One, two, three. Right here. Look at this. How many times do we get confirmation on that 1 point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a 5-point confirmation sequence. If you know anything about Elliott waves, you know patterns and sequences finish in 5. What does that mean? That means we're about to start a new cycle. Last thing we can do, try to pin down some of this macro energy, some of this micro energy, some of this inner volatility that we recognize right now. We could do this. Look at that. That's beautiful. All I did there, I took that point to that point. Again, the inner magnitude, you can literally see this thing like fills these voids, right? That's what energy does. That's what water does. It becomes its container. It goes up right there. It comes down right there. It bounces on the top, still fills that part. Then it comes up right there, bounces on the top, still fills this. This is limbo land. I told you it's weird in limbo land. It's like a wobble wobble. You pop a rubber band. You ever see how that rubber band like goes and oscillates in opposite directions? That's what we just had right there. But guess what we got coming up? Guess what's happening right there? Go back and do the math. Every major intersection, I'll put these in purple boxes. Every major intersection of those swing lines corresponded with a major macro moment that agreed with the magnitude of the direction of those intersections. Up, down, up, down. What comes next? Right there. Bitcoin will break out in October. And you can run tell them broke bloggers I said it. This is how energy works, right? We have a 5-point confirmation, and guess what else happens? Almost. We run out of runway right there. It didn't hit exactly. It's not always going to be perfect. And that confirms it. It's literally running out of energy. And that's what it looks like. And for everybody that didn't know, that is how you chart like a boss. Oh, my man Ronald just gave me a nice little super chat donation. Thank you, sir. Always good to see you as well. If you in the chat right now, do me a favor, shout your country out. I do this to just get a little bit of FaceTime at the end of these videos and let you guys know, like, this is intellect, insight, information, and it's emancipating, the power that it brings. Once you understand how cycles work, you don't have to be trapped in the moment. It's like a football coach. Best football coaches can't coach from the field. They got to be up in the press box. You got to see the whole field to understand the game, to understand the transitions, the energy, the flow. If you down on that field, trapped in between them lines, that's all you see, that's all you know. But once you elevate yourself, get inside that press box, trust me, the view's a lot better up there. Chair's a lot more comfortable too. Then you are much more adequately prepared for the future. And this is our opportunity, right? And so what I'll do is show you guys this chart. This is kind of like the final version, the final rendition of what we have. Somebody just said, let me see if I can make this bigger. Not really. Somebody just said that the 7 is below the 77. Yes, it is. But the 77 is above the 231. And the 7 can't take out the 231 by itself. So we still have time, you know. Again, Bitcoin will break out the middle of October. As long as that white line, as long as the 7 is above 5,800, that middle yellow line, we're fine. This is just, you know, this is just what growth feels like, right? Somebody asked, what's the flag in the back? It's my parents' office in Ohio. That's the Ohio flag, apparently. So there you go, right? So that's what it looks like. Make sure you follow my page on TradingView to stay up to date with all the charts on this. It's completely free. My gift to you. We will do this real quick. And I'll go over here. Boom, boom. Right. And we do have some more resources for you. Again, Boss of Bitcoin on Facebook, #1 Bitcoin group in the world. 20,000 of my best friends coming together 7 days a week, keeping each other empowered and in profit in the marketplace. Come on in. The doors are always open. And then for everybody else that's ready to step their game up and make some real deal money on the blockchain, jump on over to bossofbitcoin.com. You will see the crypto trading products that are available if you so choose to partake. First is the profit package. 7 coins every 7 days. I'm gonna start calling this the 7 and 7. Every week I'm giving these guys the updated list for crypto trading, swing trade like a boss. $100 a month. Next is the boss alert messages. I just gave these guys a detailed walkthrough of this Bitcoin chart earlier this morning. They get all this information first. So if you have more than a couple $1,000s in the market, this is definitely worth the investment. First priority and exclusive updates, and you will be invited to a beta testing group for the Boss Method software to be released later this year. You will be grandfathered in at that price. Nobody else in the world will get my software for $250 per month. But if you sign up before it's released, then you will be grandfathered in at that rate. And so here we go. Let's go ahead and see who we got rocking out with us today. Big Ron holding it down for me. It's always good to see you. Thank you so much. Marcus, thank you, sir. Appreciate the support. Tristan from USA. Y3. Oh, I think that's your boy. Appreciate it. Marcus, Texas. Alaskan Warrior from New York, NYC in the building. Let me see how many likes we got real quick. Let me reload this. Reload this up for it. I'll just do this. Click this button. See if we got 50 likes real quick. How many likes do we have? $43. That's not enough. 72 people watching, only 43 likes. We'll try it again tomorrow. New York, Poland, Birmingham, Boston, and the UK, and Portugal. Big Melon holding down in Poland. That being said, it's that time of the day. Signing out, this is the Boast Boy BK. No matter where you stay, Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and check out the products available at bossofbitcoin.com. I'm in business to help you make money. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.